So we're gonna do a little vlog today about how our day off. I gotta fix that thing. Do a vlog of our day off, which started at 1 o'clock today because we had to work. We got our chainsaw. Never leave the house without a chainsaw. Bag with goodies and drone. Wife, Suzanne. We gotta go to the post office first.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
Nature Conservancy, just down the road from us. We're going down there.
I'm done living life with the lights out.
Who was the last person to wear this? Can't. Okay, let's go.
With my own doubts. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic.
Here in the Ozarks, there's a lot of really rare species of fauna, including some really rare trees. Occasionally, you get lucky, you'll come across one of these barbed wire trees, and the barbed wire just grows right out of it. Isn't that amazing? And then it roots down into the ground. Alright, now we gotta go back the rest of the way up the hill. We were down there. Now we gotta go all the way up there and then a little bit further. It never ends. It goes all the way to the top, I think.